It has been a couple of years since entered the foldable smartphone market, and the Chinese phone is all set to launch its third generation foldable flippable phone known as OPPO Find N3. Ahead of the launch, the smartphone has passed through a certification process in its home country, China, which has revealed that the phone will have 100-watt fast charging support. The certification for the phone was shown as manufactured by OPPO Mobile Communications Limited, revealing that the phone will come with a charger in the box with support of 200-watt fast charging. It is USB Type-C and USB Type-A interfaces with single port 100-watt and dual port 50-watt output for each port. According to the leak, the OPPO Find N3 foldable will have a 2K resolution screen with 120 Hz refresh rate. It will have a primary display of 8 inches and outer cover display of 6.5 inches. It will have an Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor as a engine behind it. The camera department will have a triple camera offering 50 megapixel Sony IMX890 primary sensor, 48 megapixel IMX 581 ultrawide camera, and a periscope with camera. The front will feature 32 megapixel camera on the cover display and another camera sensor on the inner display. It's expected to pack up to 16 GB of RAM and 1 terabyte of internal storage. It will come with Color OS with 4805 mAh battery with support of 100-watt charging. This device will not launch outside China. It might come as a OnePlus Open for the US market.